Hi, I'm Angela Greig, and I teach the ninth grade STEM AMS section of AP Environmental Science. Our class consists of only the ninth grade AMS cohort. It's the equivalent of a one-semester introductory college course in environmental science. It's interdisciplinary. We encompass biology, earth science, chemistry, and geography. Our goal in the first semester is to understand how the natural world works, and in the second semester, we are going to look at both human-made and natural problems and devise solutions to those. We're working towards the AP exam, which is in May. It will be 80 multiple choice questions with 3 free response questions. We follow a hybrid instructional model in APES, which means that outside of class, students are going to acquire the basic content knowledge on their own, and inside of class, we're going to explore that content in greater depth. I give the students a schedule on CTLS that gives them a recommended timetable for study. So they should be watching videos from AP Classroom nightly and doing the practice questions that accompany those. There's also a unit guide and a vocabulary list on CTLS that will serve as their study guide for the overall unit to help them prepare for the test. Last thing, there are lecture slides and an online textbook in CTLS. So in class, we generally start with warm-ups. That will allow me to check to see where the students are, if they're understanding the material that they're learning at home. Gives us an opportunity for discussion to talk about that content knowledge in greater depth. We also do labs, activities, and projects that are going to further help them to understand the content. Here's a screenshot of CTLS where I share the schedule and any files that the students need. And here's a snippet of information from the College Board. On the left is the course content, talks about the 9 units that the students will study and the exam weighting. On the right is a page out of the unit guide, so you can see what the students would use for what I'd call like a study guide, so they can prepare for the test. When the students log into AP Classroom, they have access to videos and topic questions to practice with. So that's what they would see. Our STEM class is differentiated from my regular AP Environmental Science classes, knowing that these are 9th graders coming in who haven't had the background. Typically, this is a course for 11th and 12th graders, so they don't have that science background. We scaffold them through those skills and help them to prepare for their future AP courses, for AP Chemistry that will follow, or AP Physics. I collaborate with the math teacher so that we can design some cross-curricular experiences for the students. Some of the topics that show up math-wise that would cross over, for instance, would be exponential functions whenever we look at population growth. Also logarithms whenever we look at the pH scale, and some indices for biodiversity. The point is that we're trying to incorporate some real-life science applications when the students are learning math concepts. So you should have received a copy of the syllabus and looked over that with your child. I wanted to point out that I'm available for extra help before school and after school and during web. Web is probably the best time to come for extra help. And if you should ever have any questions, please feel free to contact me. My email address is there. It's angela.greig@comk12.org. Thank you.